So the training program basically covers three areas. The program materials, where we have the training partner and the memorandum of understanding, which is uh, the agreement we make with the training partners. The GBA course handbook, which is sort of like the foundation of the training content when we partner with the training partners, whether they're in the US or overseas. We want to make sure if we're not using GBA materials, if they create their own, they're creating it to our GBA standard. So they are required to make sure that all of their content meets those standards in the GBA course handbook. And that's for a number of courses: blockchain foundations, technical consulting, executive consulting, as well as some of the specialty courses, healthcare, legal, finance, and et cetera, et cetera. So you'll see some more of those in a few slides, but the handbook does a really good job of creating that foundation so we can have standardized quality, because the GBA name is going to be going on the training, the certificates. So we will make sure the GBA name carries quality in training. And also the training program, we review and update training materials. That's really what we do with the working groups. But if there is a content that's highly specialized, like the legal content for the legal training, which I'll talk about in a second, pretty much myself and another GBA member, Miles Vaughn, has handled that, and we send it out for a comment and we get comments back. So we include the people in the working group in the conversation. When it comes to managing training partners, we try to recruit new training partners, and I'll talk some more about that in the slide in the later on in the presentation. Also, we consistently look at and update our fees for training partners as well. So we're always looking to see what's working, what's not working. How do we make it more effective? How do we make it more attractive? So fees are one of the ways that we have to make sure we manage our relationship with the training partners. We have a quarterly call, which is on the second Saturday of the first Saturday of the quarter. And there's a call at 10 a.m. and a call at 6 p.m. Which is our primary way of talking with the training partners in mass. And also I get a ton of emails asking for training requests, and they want to attend the foundations course, they want to attend another course. So there's always a lot of movement with that, a lot of administrative work with that. And those last two bullet points are the majority of my emails when it comes to the training program. We also conduct training, which right now I do about 5 or 6 courses a year. Because of COVID, we of course went virtual, and that meant we had to change a few things with the training program. One, we lowered the price of the training, and two, it became more accessible to folks in other states and other countries. So there was that kind of beneficial expansion of the program, but previously they were all in person. And we hope to get back to some in-person training, especially during Blockchain Week in the September timeframe. So this is just a screenshot of the gbaglobal.org. These are the courses that are on there right now. There's some courses that we're looking to put on there. There's some courses that we're looking at to maybe change a bit. So this is a fluidic screen. This website, this page is always in flux. So keep looking at it. And if you have an idea for training, we need more than ideas. We need people to do the training work. So partner with me, partner with Gerard, and we can see if we can get your training ideas out there. These are the consulting courses. So some courses are standalone, and some courses actually provide you with a certification. So it's blockchain foundations, okay, and then there's the technical consulting series, which can be either technical consulting, legal, healthcare, or financial, and then there's a blockchain executive consulting course. If you take those 3 courses, you will be a GBA blockchain certified consultant. if you see in the bottom of the screen, I taught a course in February, and it had a number of folks on there. So that's an example of what the certificate looks like. Ivory, big shout out to him. He did very well, took the course, and then he started using his GBA consultant certification to write articles for CNBC. So now he's a CNBC certified contributing author. And part of that was because he was able to use his GBA certification to obtain that. So when I teach my classes, I tell them, you know, you're not just getting a certificate, you're getting the knowledge and you're getting the ability to do more with it. It's up to you what you do, right? The certificate, the certification, is only as good as you using it. So it's more than a piece of paper, it's more than a PDF. It creates opportunities for you, and those opportunities can give you some standing, be recognized as an expert in the field, starting with certification.